Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if it. Xiaomi has officially unveiled its latest Redmi Note 15 series, consisting of the Note 15, Note 15 Pro, and the flagship Note 15 Pro Plus, and among them, the Pro Plus has quickly become the most talked about device, thanks to its combination of cutting-edge hardware, premium design, and enormous 7,000 mAh battery. At first glance, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus carries the familiar design language of its predecessors, with a centrally aligned camera module, but refinements make it stand out as one of the most polished Redmi Note devices to date. The rear panel features a matte frosted finish with gently curved edges for improved ergonomics, while durability has been significantly enhanced through the use of Xiaomi's Dragon crystal glass on both the front and back, giving the phone not only a premium feel but also toughness, as proven by its successful survival in 2-meter drop tests. Moreover, the device achieves high durability standards with IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance, making it one of the most rugged mainstream smartphones in its category. On the right side, users will find all physical buttons including the power key and volume rockers, while stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio certification add a multimedia edge. Examining the display reveals a significant improvement. The curved edges from the previous generation have been toned down, offering a flatter and more practical surface that is less prone to accidental touches and more compatible with tempered glass protectors. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus boasts a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel, with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Combined with advanced display technologies such as 3840 Hz PWM dimming, HDR10+, HDR Vivid, Dolby Vision, 12-bit color depth, and full DCI-P3 color gamut coverage for vibrant, lifelike visuals, with a peak brightness of up to 3200 nits. The screen ensures excellent outdoor visibility, while eye care features reduced blue light emission for healthier long-term use. Powering the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is the brand new Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor, built on a 4nm process, marking the phone as the first to debut this chipset. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 512 GB UFS 2.2. The device promises powerful performance for gaming and multitasking alike. Early benchmarks and gaming tests reveal smooth handling of popular titles like PUBG Mobile and surprisingly solid performance in demanding games like Genshin Impact. Thermal performance is maintained by a 5200 mm vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring the device remains efficient even under extended gaming loads. Out of the box, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus ships with HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, delivering AI-enhanced photography, better multitasking, and improved system stability, while the new Wet Touch 2.0 feature allows for accurate touch response even when the display is wet. In terms of photography, the smartphone is equipped with a versatile triple camera system, featuring a 50-megapixels Omnivision Lighthunter 800 main sensor, an 8-megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom. This setup not only caters to casual photography, but also positions the device as a capable shooter in its price bracket. However, the biggest highlight remains the enormous 7,000 mAh battery, a capacity rarely seen in mainstream devices. Coupled with 90W fast charging via USB-C, Xiaomi promises full-day endurance even under heavy usage, making the phone ideal for power users. Beyond raw specifications, connectivity has also been upgraded with support for 5G Sansa, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and improved GPS accuracy thanks to the new Pascal T1S chip, which boosts Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speeds by up to 26%. For those who need connectivity beyond cellular networks, Xiaomi also offers a satellite messaging edition of the Pro Plus that supports Beidou two-way satellite communication, enabling users to send messages and emergency alerts even without a terrestrial signal. With its bold combination of groundbreaking hardware, top-tier durability, high-end display, massive battery, and practical features like wet touch and satellite messaging, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is not just another mid-range phone, but a device that redefines what the Redmi Note series can deliver, and as it hits the market, it is expected to appeal strongly to gamers, outdoor adventurers, and users who demand a phone that can withstand both intensive use and harsh conditions without compromise.